Hello, I'm Karol and I'm the Quality Assurance Supervisor. Today we're going to talk about EMPs. As a food handling and processing facility, we need to consider and mitigate hazards associated with the products we manufacture or pack for consumers. One of the associated hazards is microbiological cross-contamination from the processing, equipment, and environment of the processing facility. To control this hazard, we continuously clean and sanitize all of our equipment on a regular and scheduled basis. Furthermore, we monitor our environment for any microbiological hazard with the help of testing equipment, structure, surfaces, and other areas in our production. This testing and monitoring for microbiological hazard is our EMP. Our EMP include testing and monitoring the products we handle at our facility for non-pathogens and non-pathogens. Although we do not use water as an ingredient, we do test our water sources for potability reasons. We collect samples from equipment and surfaces and submit them to a third-party lab for analysis. We only work with renowned and approved labs for our microtesting needs. Samples are collected on a scheduled monthly basis as we have developed a sample collection plan for all of key areas. Under our EMP, when we receive an adverse result, is communicated to the quality food safety team. Generally speaking, when we receive this result, the area is quarantined and all of our product is placed on hold for further disposition. The involved area is further cleaned and sanitized, and a root cause analysis is performed to remove any source or sources of contamination. Further, as part of the additional monitoring, we perform 3 cycles of testing and sample analysis of the area to ensure the risk is mitigated.